back to our channel.
Today we have a super fun jazz combo that's going to be good for all ages.
All right, let's get started.
In a bevel, and we're going to chasse to the right. Go. Chasse, releve, back to your bevel, and then hop. Up and down, and up and down. Good. Let's try that again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Chasse, up, bevel, up and down, and up and down. Good. From there, we're going to ball change, going left, right. Nice big fin and cake on your left, into a chaîné, and then you're going to step out, slap those legs, and clap together. Good. Let's piece that together from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Chasse, up, bevel, up and down, and up and down. Ball, change, fan, chaîné, step, clap. Awesome. From there, we're going to do hips to the right. Go. 1, 2, 3. Other side. 1, 2, 3. Stick that booty out, go around. 5, 6, 7, and bring those hands to your hips. Good. Let's try that again from our clap. Starting with those hips. 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Around, hip, around, hips. Good. All right, from here you're going to shimmy and step, touch, forward. Go. Step, touch, step, touch. And you're going to go step, cross, jeté, leap, step, cross, leap, and finish in that coupe. Good, let's take that back. You're here, and we'll step, touch. 6, 7, 8. Go. Step, touch, step, cross, leap, coupe. Good. Let's piece that all together from the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Chasse, up, bevel, up and down, and up and down. Ball, change, fan, chaîné, step, clap. Hips, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Around, hips, shimmy, step, touch, step, cross, leap, coupe. Good. From there, we're almost done. You're going to step, touch, swing those arms around and jump around, and then face the back, around. Good. Let's piece that together from the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Chasse, up, bevel, up and down, and up and down. Ball, change, fan, chaîné, step, tap, hips, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, around, hip, step, touch, cross, leap, coupe, step, touch, around. All right, let's walk through that one more time and speed it up just a little bit. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Chasse, up, down, and up and down. Ball, change, fan, chaîné, step, clap, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Around, hip, step, touch, ball, change, jump, coupe, step, touch, around. Okay, it's time to piece it together with some music.
Good luck and try your best.
us. We hope you liked it.
And if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below for fresh new videos every week.